On Saturday, November 2nd, 2024, the Newport News Circuit Court Clerk's Office, led by Clerk Angela F. Reason, successfully hosted its second annual Community Resource Fair at the Brittingham-Midtown Community Center. The event featured 3 informative workshops: a session on veterans resources presented by Attorney Dywona Dee Vantree-Keller from the Legal Aid Society of Eastern Virginia, an exploration of Guardianships and Conservatorships led by Dorothy, Salomonsky, and Lloyd, Clements of Jewish Family Services, and finally, a guide to navigating the court as a pro-se litigant conducted by attorneys Likavec and Jamesa, both from the Legal Aid Society of Eastern Virginia. In addition to these valuable workshops, the event offered free notary services and an array of forms and services provided by the clerk's office. The Newport News Public Law Library was also present, offering a wealth of informative materials. Thank you for all who attended. We are already looking forward to next year's event. If you or someone you know is interested in these workshops, please contact our office directly at 757-926-8561 or email us at ccourt@nnva.gov. That is ccourt@nnva.gov.